Okay, so what I'm doing at the moment is replacing each of the coil connectors from the wiring loom, because as you can see here, they're all pretty much, all the plastics basically brittle and snapped off, so they were on but not secure. And as in some of them like this one, there's literally nothing left of the insides. So how efficient they were is very debatable. So what we have is these kits off eBay, which are essentially suited for the 1JZ and 2JZ and a 13B rotary, but they're exactly the same size. As you can see, I've already replaced 3 here and just about to do the last one there, but I do not believe it's going to replace or fix the slight misfire and shitty starting issue, as I believe it's most likely something to do with the coils, or the injectors need to be cleaned or replaced. I have a spare second-hand set which I'm in the process of cleaning at the moment, but I'll continue to put these on and I'll check out these coils as I go as well. I've also got a new connector for this because this is the O2 sensor and it's also rooted. It's the same as the coil connectors were. It's just sitting up here on top of the engine getting hot, and I disconnected it once and literally the whole assembly sort of crumbled. So it's still connected up, it's just not very good. So I'll get onto it. Looks fine here, greasy shitter in the bottom, and like the last one, a visible crack all the way up the side of it. And the second one, let's have a look. Different colour altogether than the others, bit grubby, another massive crack right up the inside. You can see the crack starting around here, going up the back, but a lot more prominent in the middle there. Is it possible that they're cracking because they're done up too tight? Maybe. Well, this one seems to crack down there too. Shit. Plastic from these crappy crumbling bits of plastic which I've replaced over here has wonderfully made its way down here into the spark plug hole. So I've just rigged up a bit of hose on the whatever that is. Let's try and suck it out. The last one. Let's have a look. Slight crack there. And same, not so much. This is probably the best one there. Let's have a look at the bottom. It's not grubby. Looks fine. No signs of arcing or anything down here. It's probably the best one so far. Great.